You know what we're doing for Christmas?
Yeah.
We're going to bring a tree into the house.
And Ho-Ho.
Ho-Ho's coming.
And bring David books.
Bring David books, yes.
And I can get Ho-Ho to my tree and look out it.
Do you know how big the Christmas tree is, though?
Yep.
How big?
Big.
Yeah.
Are there going to be lights on the tree?
I don't want a light.
You don't want lights?
No.
How come?
I don't want to.
It'll be pretty.
No.
What do you want to put on the tree?
Santa Claus.
Oh, Santa Claus?
What happened? Look at.
Did Daddy make a mess?
Yeah.
That's our
Where are
Christmas song.
you? Abigail, where are you? Where's Abigail? Has anyone seen Abigail?
No.
Really? Because she was here just a minute ago. I wonder where she went. Maybe she went to the grocery store?
Yeah.
Or Walmart?
No.
Home Depot?
No.
Maybe she went to the movies?
No.
Did you go to Mickey D's?
What?
Did you go to Mickey D's?
No.
Where are you?
I don't know.
Oh, peekaboo, there you are.
There you are.